Was it good? These are classics.
And the youth must remember that the phases, the problems which this one the Matram faced during the whole period. Till 1937, there was no problem with the singing of this song, I'll tell you. Even Jinnah attending the Congress functions where this was sung. He never opposed it. It's only in 1937, after the Congress won the elections and Muslim League was routed out in the elections, that they started opposing this. And at that time, this controversy went to both Subhash Chandra Bose and Tagore. And it was Nehru who took it. He was the Congress president at that time. And Subhash Chandra Bose made a very clear statement. There's a big speech of his, in fact I had sent it also, in which he clearly says that I am not opposed to taking any genuine demands from the Muslims in the country, but if it is